Do you know that Holy Quran is the complete guidance for all human mankind? It is crucial to not only read but truly understand the Quran to enjoy a great experience in this world and the hereafter. Are you ready to start learning Quranic Arabic language? Let's start, inshallah. One humble request before we start. Al-Quran Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and educational institute. We would like to reach many others like you, so your assistance will be greatly appreciated. If you benefit from our videos, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Today we shall learn morphology structure of present or future tense verb or fi'l mudari, inshallah. Before we start, one humble request to you. Al-Quran Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and educational institute. We would like to reach many others like you, so your assistance is greatly appreciated. If you benefit from our videos, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Jazakallahu khairan. So let's start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. What is morphology? Let's understand what morphology is. Morphology is the study of how parts of words called morphemes create different meanings by combining with each other or standing alone. Inshallah, through Quranic Arabic grammar, we shall unlock the power of Arabic verb forms with the science of morphology. We shall discover the richness of meaning in classical Arabic through the sub-science of sarf, the Arabic morphology. We shall also learn how the vowel configurations added to a set of 3 consonants turn simple letters into powerful verbs, conveying the tense, voice, and connotations. Look at the example below. Istansaru. Here, there are 3 parts of the word is highlighted in different color. Green color, red color, and black color text. Istansaru means they, the group of people, asked for help. Ista means seeking, to seek, asking for something. The middle part is the root verb nasara. So the prefix ista is added before nasara. Waw alif at the end is acting as a suffix. It's telling us it's past tense, it's third person, it's masculine, and it's also plural. As we learn more, inshallah, you would be able to understand that the verb in the middle is actually in active voice, maruf form here. So can you see just one verb from nasara using the prefix and suffix, how many different variable forms can be created? Alhamdulillah. We shall learn about this more later on, inshallah. Next question is, what are the Arabic verb forms? A basic verb form is the particular vowel configuration given to a set of 3 consonants in Arabic in order to turn those letters into an actual verb. Along with making the letters pronounceable, these vowels give us more meaning, namely the tense and voice. Verb forms can be simple and they can be also enhanced. Enhanced means the pattern involves the addition of 1 or 2 extra letters, which we will be learning in module 2, inshallah. Finally, are all Arabic verbs regular? No, not all verbs in Arabic are regular. Some letters in the language, when part of a word's base, render the verb weak. But no worry, there are a set of rules which can be applied to change the verb into a stronger form. This also will be covered in our module 2, inshallah. For now, in this chapter, we shall learn how the fi'l madi and fi'l mudari changes their forms using prefix and suffixes. We have studied this earlier. The same chart, I have put it on a different slide with the morphological breakdown, the structural changes, adding the prefix and suffixes. And there is a pattern there. I would like you to pay special attention to it, inshallah. Before we go into details of this chart, two things we need to understand first. Fa'ala yaf'alu. Fa'ala is the Madi form and yaf'alu is the Mudari form. Yaf'alu has come out of fa'ala with the prefix ya. And we discussed earlier that Madi or past tense verb will only have suffix at the end of the verb. Fi'l Madi or past tense verb does not take any prefix. With Fi'l Mudari, there may be both prefix as well as suffix. One more thing, please pay attention to this. Every Mudari verb will start with a prefix, and these prefixes are only 4. Out of these 4, one of these will be added at the beginning of Mudari verb. Just have a quick look from top to bottom. Yaf'alu, yaf'alani, yaf'aluna. Taf'alu, taf'alani, yaf'alna. Taf'alu, taf'alani, taf'aluna. Taf'alina, taf'alani, taf'alna. Af'alu, naf'alu. At the beginning of all these, can you see ya, then ta, ya, ta, a, na. So the letter a, ta, ya, na. In short, ataina, to remember. So a, ta, ya, na, they will be added at the beginning of every Mudario as a prefix. Let's move on to the morphological breakdown of each Mudario verb. How does it change the form of the verb with different meaning by adding prefix and suffix, inshallah? Fa'ala yafalu. Huwa yafalu. It means they do or they will do. By default, yafalu will have dhamma at the end on most of the singular form on this chart. So yafalu has a hidden file, and that file is huwa. And this file, we cannot see this, it's hidden. By looking at this, we cannot say what the file is. But we know the file is hidden and it's called file mustatir in Arabic. Because huwa and hiya, these two verbs can take external file. So yafalu may also take external file. Let's move on to the next one. Huma yaf'alani. It means they two may do or will do. Note here, ane, the suffix is added at the end of yafalu to make it dual. Next, hum yaf'aluna. Here, the suffix una is added. The file ani is visible on yaf'alani. Next, hum yaf'aluna. They all may do or will do. Here, una, the suffix, is added to give the meaning plural and they masculine. So una is the file here and we can see it. Next, hiya taf'alu. It means she, singular female, does or will do. We cannot see the file in this verb taf'alu because it is file mustatir, it's hidden. But remember, not all file mustatir will have external file. Only the verbs which has got hidden file huwa or hiya, they will have external file. Next, huma taf'alani. Similarly, ani is added to make dual meaning here. So taf'alani means they two female do or will do. So ani is the visible file here. Hunna yaf'alna. They all female do or will do. Na is the visible file, we can see it. Anta taf'alu. In this context, taf'alu means you, singular male, do or will do. Now there is a hidden file here which we cannot see, and that hidden file is anta, you, singular male. Can I just point out here that hiya taf'alu and anta taf'alu. For both hiya and anta, the mudari is same, taf'alu taf'alu. How would you distinguish this in a sentence? So don't worry. Looking at the context, you should be able to recognize whether it's referring to hiya or whether it's referring to anta, inshallah. Let's go next. Antuma taf'alani. Taf'alani here is you two male. In the same way, ani is added to give the dual meaning. So ani is the visible file. Next, antum taf'aluna. Here, una is added to give the meaning you all male. So una is the visible file here. Next comes anti, the popular anti. Anti taf'alina. Antis are always special, so it has taken a very special suffix. And this is ina, visible file ina, to give the meaning you, singular female. Antuma taf'alani. Here ani is added to give the meaning you two female. So ani is the visible file. Antunna taf'alna. Taf'alna is slightly different. Here, na is representing tunna, antunna. Antunna is the visible file, or in short, tunna is the visible file. Taf'alna means you all female do or will do. Let's go to the next. Ana af'alu. Af'alu. A came at the beginning as a prefix, and it represents a of ana. Easy to remember. We cannot see the file. It's hidden. It's file mustatir. But remember, not all file mustatir will have external file. Only the verbs which has got hidden file huwa or hiya, they will have external file. But anta, ana, nahnu, although they have got hidden file mustatir, but they will not have any external file in the sentence. Last one, nahnu naf'alu. Here the prefix is na, representing nahnu. So na from nahnu, a from ana, very first letter. So afalu, nafalu. Nafalu means we all do or will do, male and female. Here we cannot see the file, so it's hidden, it's mustatir. Ana, nahnu, although they have got hidden file mustatir, but they will not have any external file in the sentence. Alhamdulillah, we have reached the end of this lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Please repeat watching this video a few more times and study the PDF file together. Our next lesson topic is formation of amar or imperative sentence in Mudari Mubhar, inshallah. One request before you go. Al-Quran Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and educational institute. We would like to reach others like you. So if you benefited from this video, please share with others, and most importantly, please subscribe our channel and like the videos. Don't forget to watch other video series on Quranic Arabic course. Barakallahu fikum. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم آمين يا رب العالمين.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.